Hello everyone and welcome back to Prashika's world. So today I'm going to show you my Ganesh Chaturthi decorations. I have taken an embroidery hoop ring which will actually form the base of the hanging above Ganesha's idol. As it has two rings, I'm going to take the inner ring and I'm going to add fairy lights to it. Now this is going to give a good lighting effect to Ganesha at night. It's ready now and this is how it's going to look like. Now on top of this I'm going to place a very light weighted netted dupatta. Take accurate measurements and ensure the mid of the dupatta is right in the mid of the ring. Before I secure the cloth with the second ring on top of it, I am adding 3 zip tags. I am ensuring that there is equal distance between the 3. Now once that is done, I am going to secure both the rings together. Now to enhance the look, I am using this fruit mesh that I am going to place on top of the 2 rings. And I'm going to secure the embroidery ring and this fruit mesh with these zip tags. The zip tags did an amazing job in holding everything together. To cover this fruit mesh, I'm using these artificial flowers which I bought from Sarana stores just for 37 rupees each, and I took 2 of these. Again, I'm securing them inside the gap that I have between the zip tags. And I guess the result looks good. Now for the background, first I'm placing Ganesha, and then behind it I'm placing these grasses. With the help of these adhesive hooks on the ceiling, I've attached a toran, and under this toran I've added again a zip tag. Now this zip tag will be attached to the handle of the fruit mesh. Once this looks secured, I left the dupatta to flow on both the sides and also dropped 2 yellow torans on the sides. Also adding these 2 decorative trees on both the sides of Ganesha. To hide the outer portion of the ring which is visible, I am using these embroidery laces. To enhance the look, I am also adding these artificial rose flowers. Adding to the green background that I had, I am also adding some pink torans on the side. I got these leaf hangings as well from Sarana stores, 1 piece for 40 rupees each. I put that on the sides and also added some fairy lights. I've also added this pink toran on the top along with the leaf. And for now the look is complete. The light that I had added to the embroidery ring looks like this during the night. Added focus light as well.